Hey guys, if you've been following us long enough that you know that over the winter that we've been restoring this 1978 Puch Newport. This is the first gen Newport, also known as a Newport L. Here's a photo of how I got the bike, and boy did it come a long way. This thing is gorgeous. Originally I thought it was like a cream color, but as you guys can see it's white. My favorite color is orange, so I love the orange decals. A lot of the plastic has been restored using heat techniques. The paint came out gorgeous. I added white walls just because I love white walls. And today's video, we're gonna be basically just riding it, see what it does, see how it acts, because this is the first time I've ever had it outside, and I am super excited to ride this thing for the very first time. Huh, I had the switch off. Sounds nice. All right, so I can say that this thing runs beautifully. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. It does not run beautifully. Honestly, I'm kind of thinking that this cap here might be restrictive. Might just take this off. It might be hindering our flow here of gas. So I'm gonna take it off for now. See what happens. See if we can get her going again. All right, we got her going. That's good. Good start. We definitely have a bit of loss of power, so I'll probably have to look into that. If you guys follow the build over the winter, then you know I put a really crappy original piston in there that had a ton of blow-by in it. So it could be that is our loss of power. So I wanted to give it a shot before I went and put a brand new piston in it, but it's kind of looking like I might have to put a brand new piston in it. And you know what, that's fine. But at least I can say right now it's running and riding pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's running pretty nice with the original crappy piston and rings. So all right, so it did die when we were doing full throttle for a while, and I let it go to stop it. So maybe it's either an electrical issue that we're running into, or we could be having some kind of gas issue. Either way, I can already tell it's really sluggish. It's not acting like it should, so we're gonna have to diagnose that soon. All right, so there we go. It didn't die there. Definitely gonna struggle going up this hill. Get my pedal on. However, on flat ground, it does really ride nice. It's really smooth bike. The motor doesn't feel too bad. I'm really happy with how it feels so far. Yeah, there's that loss of torque. Horn works, so that's cool. So besides completely breaking my chest mount, I think this video was a success. The bike runs really well. I might have to change out the piston. It did bog a little bit when going down a hill, but I think it's just because we're going down a hill. It doesn't have the great torque, but either way, it's beautiful. I'm just really happy with how this bike came out and love the way it rides. Really looking forward to this summer being able to ride it more, having it in some videos, and just riding it with some friends. So with that, guys, I hope you guys ride safe, enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.